When it comes to Thai seafood dipping sauce, most of us can instantly recognize its iconic blend of sour, spicy, salty, and sweet flavors, completely irresistible. If you're looking for a simple yet delicious recipe for Thai seafood dipping sauce, then let's dive right into this one. You'll find all the ingredients listed in the description below. First, sauté minced garlic and minced shallots in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil until fragrant. Garlic and shallots are the most basic ingredients, helping the sauce pair well with a variety of dishes. If you'd like to enhance the aroma, feel free to add lemongrass, galangal, or ginger depending on the dish. Once the garlic and shallots are golden and fragrant, add all the remaining ingredients to the pan. Fish sauce, vinegar, sugar, Korean non-spicy chili powder, and a bit of fine local chili powder for the heat. Then add some chili sauce, ketchup, and a bit of water. Stir well and cook the mixture over low to medium heat. Once the sauce starts to boil, keep simmering for another 2 to 3 minutes until slightly thickened. Then turn off the heat, let it cool, and transfer to a jar. The finished Thai seafood dipping sauce will have a glossy red color and a slightly thick texture, with a bold, sour, and spicy kick up front. Next comes the savory depth of the fish sauce and the gentle sweetness from the sugar. It smells amazing and is sure to awaken your taste buds. I hope you enjoy this super easy yet incredibly flavorful recipe I've shared today. See you in the next video with more delicious dishes using this sauce.